Here are two welcome shapes. On the left is a rectangular hell pall. It is 8 centimeters along the base and 5 centimeters tall. On the right is a triangular canopy. Its base is also 8 centimeters and its height is 6 centimeters. Find the area inside each shape. Pause the video and try it. You know the base and the height of both shapes. Think about how much flat space sits inside each one. Start with the rectangle. Area is base times height. The base is 8, the height is 5. 8 times 5 is 40, so the rectangle covers 40 square centimeters. Now the triangle. The base is 8 and the height is 6. First do base times height. 8 times 6 is 48, but a right triangle is exactly half of that rectangle, so we take half. Half of 48 is 24. The triangle covers 24 square centimeters. Look at what we did. For both shapes we found a base and a matching height. The height meets the base at a right angle. Base times height fills a rectangle. A triangle is half of that same rectangle, so we have it. This is the area equals base times height rule. If you need an area, multiply the base by its matching height and have it for a triangle. Look for a base and a height that meet at a right angle, even when the corners are given as coordinates. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.